Chabor Kurunwang, Katithin, and to Chuanya Waitor, me and Joe, de la wit, Kade Rachel. Chalania Luxai, a la to Chuanya Waitor. Gua, a yen pan cutting out a la right Katoga right Kangama. Ten Jang Jabiat Bianga, you to Chuanya Lador, Kukiway, tell Lloyd a year. Take a message method Maguro, but deliver. Kabalat Katong Neneticon. Ten qua win mon qua la yenakan ko guru dong bala waling enor wewne kon kie gitaran wana thank you wanda takel kay ladies and gentlemen, I greet you everywhere you are. We have different times. I wish all of you are okay. I'm okay, I myself. My name is Nia Luxai. By nationality, I'm South Sudanese. By tribe, I'm Nuer from Low Nuer. I have a question that I want to ask today. These questions, I've been thinking about it for some times. It's keep me wondering. Because I even see Nuer sons and daughters been celebrating Dr. Machar been arrested for some times. So my question to you guys, since when Dr. Machar was arrested, what benefit did you get from Machar arrest? What benefit did you get? I'm very sure you get nothing from there. We both know even the fighting we are right now. It reached to this extent because Dr. Machar is in jail. Because if Dr. Machar is out, this fighting could not reach to this extent. Because we both know Dr. Machar is a man that always loves peace. All this fight that we've been fighting, he have never supported fight. He always supported peace. Even we Nuer civilians and our government IO are the one always decided to fight. You have never supported it. So my question to you guys are celebrating nothing. Because if Dr. Machar is out, even this fight could not reach to this extent. And yet it's not over. This fight will go on and on and on and on until Dr. Machar will be released. Because now, nobody will advise us to tell us to stop this or stop that. We choose Dr. Machar fully and Haihu, we shoot them fully. We are well arranged and we are perfect. If you guys want South Sudan have a peace, you better release Dr. Machar. Because elsewhere, this one will go on and on. We have no lust. Let's see. Let's see. So, if Dr. Machar is out right now, it could be not like this. So, good for example, that you guys could have known that Dr. Machar loved peace. When Low Nuer youth attacked Murle some years back, Dr. Machar flew from Juba to Lil Kwango to stop the war, which means is someone that have been choosing peace than war. And 100%, because we are always pretending, you guys don't want to say the fact. You don't. What part of South Sudan was having war that Salva Kiir Mayardit have never stopped it? Especially every terrorized group themselves, killing innocent Nuer people. He always give them guns, supporting them fully, give them the big weapons for the country to kill the innocent people. Is that the leader? Is that the leader? Is this your leader you choose? So my message to you guys is that don't support something will not help you. Because as we are well arranged, whether Dr. Machar is in jail our movement is still going on and on and on. So keep on doing this big mistake, keeping our leader in jail. But this one will destroy a lot of things. Don't worry. Heavy fight, it's happened, and it will happen. And it will. And it will. Just keep waiting. I will either not talk much, but that's the message that I want to tell you, that even if Dr. Machar is in jail, nothing will never stop us. We will keep doing it and doing it and doing it. Because he's the one who always tell us that don't fight.